Here's how to draw a simple floor plan. The room, I'm just going to draw the room I'm sitting in. In day 1 of my 21 Days of Feng Shui for Your Home journal, I talked to you about drawing. I give you a space where you can draw the floor plan of your home. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to draw a simple floor plan just for one room. You can apply it to the whole house if you want. So here's my graph paper, which I got online and just printed out. Here's my white eraser because it doesn't leave marks on the paper like the pink ones do. My ruler, which I'm not using any of the markings on here. I'm just using it for a straight edge. And my pencil so that I can erase the lines if I make a mistake. So here it says in the book to draw the first wall, your north wall at the top. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, because that's 12 feet, and each 1/4 inch square on the graph paper equals 1 foot. So I'll write that here. That's for your scale. 1/4 inch equals 1 foot. Okay, so this is my north wall. Draw north here. And this wall has a window in it, but first I'm going to draw all of the walls. So since it's a 12 by 12, we'll do another 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, now I already made a mistake because I didn't get my ruler close enough. As you can see, my eraser doesn't leave any marks on the paper. I also use these white erasers on walls for when I draw markings for hanging pictures, because then I can draw as much with a pencil on the wall as I want and erase it with the white eraser, and it doesn't leave marks on the wall either. Okay, and of course the last one is easy because you don't have to count. Okay, there we go. That is my 12 by 12 room. So the north wall, like I said, has a window in the middle, and the window is 5 feet wide. So we've got, I'm going to start in the middle here, go 2.5, and then 2.5. And that's how you draw a window on a floor plan. Very easy. Now on this wall, I have a big opening here that is an arch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, and it's about, what's that, 6 feet? That's about right. Now you're going to measure and you're going to get your measurements correct. I'm just doing this to show you how easy it is. So there's my opening. This goes to the living room. This is my front yard. And this wall goes to the kitchen, and it has both a pass-through and a door. So the door is about here, and it is 36 inches wide, so that's 3 feet. So that's 1, 2, 3. And again, we're going to erase here so we have an opening. So you've got window, an arched doorway, no door, and just a regular doorway, no door. If it had a door, I would draw it like this. But since it doesn't, I'm going to erase that and just leave the opening. Okay? There we go. Now, this side also has a pass-through, and it pretty much fills the rest of the wall here. So I'm going to draw it as a window. This is an older house. It was built in 1938, so it's got its own kind of quirky things. And that's my room. This wall is solid. In this wall here and this wall here, I have niches. And they're arched as well to match the doorway. And I'm just going to draw those as windows, well, just on the one side. So my wall here, if I want to actually draw it correct, I would draw a thicker wall. But since we're just doing a simple floor plan, that's all you need. So window facing to the north, arched doorway facing to the east, kitchen doorway facing to the south, and then a solid wall on the west. And what's great about this is this room is perfect feng shui for my personal element and feng shui directions on the compass. So this would be the main door. Since this is a solid wall, I have my desk here and my chair here. So my back is facing a solid wall in the command position like you would do in your office. And I'm facing the doorway. I can see all entrances to the room from my desk, which gives me a feeling of safety and security. And so there you have it. That is your simple floor plan that you can draw in your 21 Days of Feng Shui for your home journal. If you would like help drawing your floor plan, you can always book a consultation with me. I do them in person and online. So there you have it.